YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a slime video.
And this
Let's
is me.
get started. So first, the slime I'm probably going to be featuring will probably be this slime, if that's okay with my friend.
Yep.
Okay.
And
So
my name is Kat, and I have been
Yes.
in one of her videos. She likes getting confused on my name.
Because I have a friend that looks just like her, and her name is Caitlin.
Yeah.
So some people even get her confused as Caitlin or Katin.
The names
But
are
you're
very
fine.
similar.
Yes. And then there's another, and then I also have a friend that she looks just like her, and her name is
You didn't wash your hands before playing with my slime.
So normally I'm supposed to wash my hands, but I
Here.
forgot.
Wash your hands.
So I'm gonna wash my hands super fast with soap. So sorry that the slime's just sitting there, but
It's very important rules, so no bacteria gets in slime.
yes.
I've seen that a lot more now, so.
Okay, so super clicky. I did do a video with this exact same slime reviewing it, and now I just was like, they really loved it, so I guess I'll do another one with this slime.
And
Because I got quite a few views.
both my videos were based on that slime.
Yeah, can you move? Let's move the stuff so nothing gets hurt.
Okay. So,
Big bubble.
well-
So my video will probably be done pretty soon.
And plus, if you want to check out my YouTube channel, it's called Fluffy Cat Slime and Stuff.
Yep. And that's literally the name and stuff. It's not like her just saying it. It's literally her YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And it is kind of a shorter video, but but you guys loved that video, so just a quick click for the end. Bye.